Hi, this is Julio Aru, owner of LTcomputers, and I have today your tech tips. Cables and adapters are an important part today in technology. Imagine your phone that needs a charge. Imagine your laptop which is out of battery. You are gonna need a cable and you're gonna need an adapter. Hey, if you forget your cable, we do have at LTcomputers certified cables that will work with your brand. Be aware of the quality of cable you are purchasing. There are different types and qualities of cables. Some cables will actually not last that long, but here at LTcomputers, we make sure that the cables that we have are certified for the specific brand of device that you are looking for. Inspect your cable and make sure they are not wire exposure, and also your tip has to be in good shape. If your cable is overheating, or if your cable is not charging correctly your phone, your computer, that is the moment to actually replace your cable, your adapter. You don't want to damage the device, so make sure that these symptoms are not presenting on the cable that you're using.